Your roof is one of the most important features of your home. It shields you from the weather, protects your family, and adds value to your property. But when problems arise, waiting too long to take action can turn a manageable issue into a costly repair. If you live in Madison Heights, knowing when to call a professional roofing contractor can save you time, money, and stress. Here are the top signs that mean it's time to act immediately. Leaks or water stains on ceilings and walls. If you notice brown water stains spreading across your ceiling or walls, your roof could be leaking. Even a small leak can lead to mold growth, weakened drywall, and structural damage. In Madison Heights, where seasonal rains and snow are common, leaks should never be ignored. A professional roofing contractor can quickly identify the source and stop the damage from spreading. Missing, cracked, or curling shingles. Shingles are your roof's first line of defense. When they are cracked, curling at the edges, or missing altogether, your home is vulnerable to water intrusion. High winds and storms in Madison Heights can accelerate shingle damage, making your roof unsafe. If you spot these issues, it's best to call a contractor right away before moisture sneaks underneath and compromises the roof deck. Sagging roof lines. A sagging roof is one of the most serious warning signs that immediate help is needed. This often indicates structural problems, water damage, or issues with the roof decking. Left untreated, it can lead to a total roof collapse. A trusted roofing contractor in Madison Heights will inspect the underlying cause and provide solutions to restore safety. Granules in your gutters. As shingles age, they shed granules, those small, sand-like particles you may notice in your gutters or downspouts. While some granule loss is normal, a large amount signals that your roof is nearing the end of its lifespan. Without the protective coating, shingles can deteriorate quickly, leaving your home exposed to the elements. Rising energy bills. Have you noticed higher heating or cooling bills lately? A failing roof can allow air to escape and force your HVAC system to work harder. In Madison Heights, where summers can be hot and winters frigid, an inefficient roof can put a strain on your comfort and your budget. A professional inspection will determine whether roof repairs or replacement are needed to restore energy efficiency. Mold, moss, or algae growth. If you see dark streaks, moss patches, or mold growing on your shingles, it's more than just a cosmetic issue. Moisture is likely being trapped, which can weaken roofing materials and shorten their lifespan. A contractor can recommend safe cleaning solutions and address any underlying ventilation or water drainage problems. Storm damage. Strong winds, hail, and heavy rain can leave your roof in rough shape. After severe weather in Madison Heights, it's wise to schedule a professional inspection, even if damage isn't obvious. Hidden problems like lifted shingles or minor leaks can escalate quickly. Acting fast ensures your insurance claim is handled correctly and your home stays protected. Protecting your Madison Heights home. Your roof is too important to leave to chance. Ignoring the warning signs of damage can lead to expensive repairs and even compromise your family's safety. If you've noticed leaks, missing shingles, sagging, or other issues, don't wait. Reach out to a roofing contractor in Madison Heights immediately. A professional will not only repair current problems but also provide guidance to extend your roof's lifespan and keep your home secure. By acting quickly, you safeguard your property, save money in the long run, and gain peace of mind knowing your roof is ready for whatever the Michigan weather brings. Bottom line: if you suspect roof trouble, don't delay. Contact a trusted Madison Heights roofing contractor today to protect your home and family.